Hi, I'm Neely Nathan. I have a TV show and a website called Great Healing Getaways. I write, research, and host on holistic health from around the world. Today we're talking about aromatherapy and how you can make some aromatherapy products right in your own home. I want to show you how you can also use any of the massage oils as bath oils. A particularly good one that will relieve stress in your bath is one that's used with lavender oil. So first what you want to do is get 1 ounce of your carrier oil. That could be either sweet almond oil, or what I've used in this one is safflower oil. So I have 1 ounce of safflower oil, and I'm going to put in 10 drops of lavender, just like that. And I will gently stir it up, and then I will pour this directly into a nice warm bath or hot bath. Right before I get in, I'll swirl it around, and that's how you can get a nice aromatherapy bath relieving stress using your carrier oil and 10 drops of your lavender oil.